Okay, we're live. Apologies for the delay. Market opens in 30 seconds. Let's see where we are on the hourly. Wow, we literally just broke above that high. I was a bit curious about what's going to happen here. The trend is very strong at the upside. Honestly, it's a bit scary for me to trade here because my natural reaction would be to go short, but yeah, market opens. It's gonna go up. And I wanted to try the 250 ticks today. I had a feeling when I did 250 last time, it wasn't working because it was the holiday. No, seems like we need a little bit more data to get the two moving averages. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Goodbye here. That'd be quite tricky. Oh, I should have bought. That's risky. Let's buy stop here. Sell here. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Yeah, that's why I went with one contract. It's a bit risky to trade. I want to sell. I want to sell here. The idea that this could be 61.8 retrace. Oh, there's also potential long here, actually. I should have taken both sides. Or not. Wait for it. It's too fast. It is too fast. I should have manually closed it, actually. This should have been a re-entry. It's too fast. 250 is good, but what do you want? One more short here. This should have been the short instead. Normally, do this. I should reverse in here. Seems to be pretty fine. We'll stop the break even. I want to trail this one. I think there's more room for this to go. That is so hard to trade. But then again, maybe what if I went to 500? I know it seems like I'm jumping a lot, but yeah, I think 500 is cleaner. But in 12 hours, I could sell here. No, never mind. But what I need is a 250 or 500 normal candle over here. Try and see a little bit what's going on. Yeah, that's holding. This is very bullish. Uh, let's buy stop this. It's tricky. It's risky. But the idea is that the market came down and held one time at the 61.8, held two times at the 61.8. Maybe if I was short, I should have taken some profit here. If this wants to go, it's making oh, I do not want to see a reversal over here. This should be my stop loss. Oh, I should have stopped already before. I'm praying. Gotta say I'm scared. Now I'm comfortable. Now I'm very happy. I believe we could even switch back to minute chart at this stage, or even 250 to find even more entries. I will trail this gently without bothering anyone. I will trail it with the lows. No, not you. This should have stopped me actually. Yeah. There's more room. That is a bad trailing stop. Yeah. This seems to be taking a break. I think I don't want this to break. One, two. Okay. The hourly is very bullish. We're making a new all-time high, by the way. Going back to the minutes to see what's going on here. I think this seems to be distributing, but I doubt it. Yeah, there's always more room for this. It seems to be getting exhausted. If this fails, that would be a bad thing. I would like to buy this. Oh, actually, I'll buy this. It's a risky buy. It's a buy limit. You know what? I'll put an order here. Okay, I'll put a. Okay, I'm waiting the price to come and tag this. The reason I'm waiting for that because this is the low of this range. You know, we see we're forming um, kind of a rectangle in here. If this is bullish, this should be holding. What? What? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't mind buying stop here. As I said, just take some profit. It's interesting when the Nasdaq is doing a new all-time high. The crypto markets are in red. Well, they all like seem to follow each other in a very rational way. It was good to take profit here. I think it was a safe move. This, yeah, I should have trusted my gut and taken it anyway. That's okay. So what are we trying to do here? We broke out of this range. I think we're trying to. Oh, okay. It's holding a second time. We have two highs, two lows. We're in the range. For those who do wonder, the P&L is right here. We are up $430. We took we took a couple of losses. We took two losses. We had three winners. And oh yeah, we're up 410. I gotta take into account the commissions, which Quantara does not show. Oh, I'm starting to appreciate the fact with Haikinashi, when you're trading in a range, like this seems to be the case, this always is a very interesting potential entry. I'm feeling. I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna add three contracts now. I should have added three contracts before. It would have been 1,200 up. Now, while this is going up, I'm not really liking. Hmm, that's not bad. Eh, sure, I like it. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Why was I scared here? Why was I scared? Why was I scared? Trend is going my way. I'll take a break. I know it's only 10 minutes. It's not much, but it's quite insightful. Now, here's the interesting lesson. First, we'll save these guys. Second, we'll drop 2 minute charts and Haikinashi charts. Yeah. On the 1 minute, there was no entry, unfortunately. I would have missed all of the move. The only potential entry would have been uh, going for a long here and then going for another long here, which would have been very fucking tricky. But, any long here would have been up 60 points, which is a lot of goddamn money. So it's debatable on how we look at it. Yeah, I do think putting a long here and then putting a long here and then putting one more long here would have been trend is bullish. It would be very, very risky given the circumstances. But it still is not so bad. Oh, what's going on here? I think we have another entry. Hmm. It's a funny doji. I have a bad feeling about this. I'm not buying the right place. I should sell here. As in, I should have a stop there. That's not stressful at all. Hmm. Unfortunate. out for a point here. I won't even. Oh, yeah, just tagged. But the problem is, if this holds and comes back and fills me, then it's just going up again. Buying at the highs. That's what I just did. Oof. Okay, we're out of this one. Which is ugly. I feel some distribution. Even though this is a rectangle. So that's on paper, that's bullish. You know, you see that and then goes up. Ding, ding, wing. I don't know how I feel about it. On paper it is bullish, but it doesn't need to be. Oh, it depends on how we're going to hold this level. And we're not. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Can't help it, can I? Wow, we need more than 12 hours to get anything. Fair enough. That was very tricky. That was the way for these longs to go out. Now we could come all the way down to here. Bounce off of it. That was a 61.8. I think. Oh. I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. All I know, I'm up. I don't feel like losing. It's a big problem when you're like this. You don't want to lose what you gained. It's bad. Well, there's one thing that I'm happy about is that all my trades were longs. Yeah. That was a short. Wait. Short. Wow, I longed here. I'm impressed. Long. That was intuition there, my friends. You know, just in no, I don't like how the price is just stopping here. I feel like, yeah, this is gonna just break down. Oof. I think that was a moment where getting back on the high Kinashi minute would be okay. Because if you notice, there's oh no, this is these guys. From here to here, there's like 9 candles. And that is essentially from here to here. There's 34 candles. Well, where did it stop? Is that a 50%? Regardless, I should have went long here. I went up and stopped the break even though. Yeah, I don't see anything. What I want to do, I want to get back to the minute, and I want to try and snipe. Let's put the 5. Let's put the 1. That is bullish. We're being stopped at the highs here. There's some hesitation. Some potential failures. We did make a new high, which for some people means that there could be trap bulls up there. These bulls might have a stop here if they're looking at the minute chart. I could go short here, but this is 14 points. It's a lot, and I'm going against the trend. Maybe my first objective might be here. I don't like it. Tempted to buy the touch of the moving average, which is literally the touch, but there's nothing here. There's these guys. I think it's better to just wait for it. There's a single candle that wipe out everything, so bears are starting to come in. And that's a big ass red Haikanashi candle. We would never have been filled here. Now we would be filled, but we would be in red. That's the next level where we might want to catch something. What is this too? If there's something here, I'll go for as a 50%. I feel like gambling it. Ideally, I would want to wait because we could stop at the 50%. We could also stop at the 61.8. Either of the two could work. But if it's gonna stop, we're gonna see a loss of momentum. We're gonna see something slowing down over here. We're already seeing one big candle followed by like a kind of tiny shy candle and followed by what looks like a doji that's stopping. The long from here has a chance of exiting, and they're praying. Or I should say he's praying, like my other self. Now these longs are out. They're safe. What this could be is a two candle retraced. Now, there's a world where this is a long, but again, 14 points. It's funny. I said the same thing about these 14 points, and that would have been 1-to-1. It's not a bad deal per se. Yeah. These guys are out. I don't know if this is too close. So I could stay with my limit and have to say spend some time in red, or I could wait for a stop entry. Now, what could be interesting, what could get my attention if this one stops in this area, because then I have an entry here and I have less of a risk. They say put your dollar where your mouth's worth or something like that. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so scared. No, I'm less scared. Let's wait until the candle closes. If the candle closes in green, we'll go to break. I think I'll go to break even right away. Okay. Now, what I'm worried about is 61.8. I keep on worrying about the 61.8, even though I don't necessarily have to. Okay, I did say, I did do what I said I would do. I said, this is too much of a risk. I don't want to take it. Then I said, if that happens, I'm liking the risk a little bit more, especially that we're seeing these two. And I said, I don't like the 61.8, and then I took some profit at the 61.8. You know, just sue me later. No, it's good. It's good. Again, this is a long. We're doing nothing but taking longs. I mean, that doesn't show, but that's a long, that's a long, that's a long. That's a big long, actually. It's 9 points. Wow. I'm grateful. That was my biggest long. 19. Damn. Was that a long? Ew. That's so sad. It's okay. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know if there's any merit of, going for one-to-one. So this did the 61.8, which now becomes interesting. Now I'm actually excited because this is saying that we have a ABCD objective coming to here, and this ABCD objective is a 61.8. Love these guys, and that is absolutely nothing. Let's get creative. Is there anything on the 4 hour daily? No. Yeah, this is all time highs here, guys. We don't have any reference. the only the only reference we have is that there is a potential for an area of interest at this area, at this location. Okay, and this could also be when the moving average starts to get into it. I'm just saying. I would not like to long here because it's too close to these guys. I don't know what too close mean. It's like 3 meters away. But damn, I'm really tempted to just go long there. Okay, but yeah, I keep on saying that. I keep on saying I want to. Okay, let's put it this way: going limit is a gamble because you could still lose. And I think there's a long happening here. So going with limit is a gamble because you could lose. Going with the stop is safer because if you were expecting a reaction at a certain level, you already had it. Okay. So, for example, if I wanted to go long here, I could go limit here, but then I would have to go through this, or I could just go stop here, or essentially go stop as I did right here in this trade. It's the same thing here. This could be an interesting stop, but it is tricky again. The price came down, as you can see on the minute here. It stopped. Yeah, this would have been a horrible trade. This is a loser, whether you want it or not. And yeah, this is absolutely a loser. You don't want to hold on to it. And I don't like this setup. This is just a second location, the second story, second thing. It's ugly. Okay, let's do this. I don't think we're up $700, by the way. I think we're up, yeah, 673. The account's balance is 50,970. What's that? 296 cash on hand. Oh, interesting. Not bad. Why does it not show the it doesn't show decimal figures. No problem. Theoretically, I would have taken this long and then I would have lost. And now I got disconnected. What's up? Is that rhythmic? I feel it's rhythmic. Yeah, I was told yesterday in an email there was an issue with rhythmic. So there's no problems with other connections. Let's try and restart just to be on the safe side. If no, it's not. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Lebanese Republic. It's 5 p.m. Normally the power goes off at 6, not 5. But now it's off. And thank God we have no positions in the markets, because that would have been horrible. So, let's not start. All right, we restart this. Hopefully it's going to work. So, in case you just joined, the problem is that for some reason Quantower disconnected from Rhythmic. Quantower is my platform I'm using for trading. It's what you're seeing in front of you. Rhythmic is what we're using. Is what we're using for data. This is so ugly. There's nothing to be done there. I'm not gonna switch to family ticks. I could have been trading this area, but I don't want to. I mean, personally, I would still love to see something happening in here, but doesn't feel like they're gonna give it to me. I would have gone long with a stop here, but I think this is just too tricky. What I'm also starting to see is that we are forming absolutely nothing. I don't know what I was seeing. What about that? Something like this. But I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with it. Maybe something like this? So we're in a range, as confirmed. This area is a range. And one of the theories I've been developing for Heikinashi in a range is that, something's weird here in the data, is that you want to wait for a flat ass like this. And then go long or short in the direction of this guy. Just don't go over dojis. Just don't. Is there a way of hiding the drawings? Remove all chart objects. No, I don't want to remove all chart objects. I want. Oh. So one way of hiding them is selecting them, copying them, removing them. Aha! That's not the proper way of hiding, but it is one way of hiding. Should we go here? No, we said we wait to see a flat-assed area, even though, I just spent so much time over here. Uh, I don't want to see. I don't want to see. Did we get fucked? Not yet. I'm scared again. I'm scared. Help me. I wait for this candle to close, and then I break even. Look at it. Cheated. I broke even before it closes. Now it closed. Just take me out. That's not trading. This is whatever. No, I cheated. Oh, god damn it. Aw. I mean, my break even would have never been touched. And now, oh, damn it. Okay, fear is so bad. Oh my god. Instead of making 10 points, we did 1 point. And I wanted to put a take profit here. Alright. Never mind. That doesn't help. Ding. Okay, let's not do anything stupid. But I'm disappointed. What happened to my drawings here, my paintings? I wanted to have, it seemed like such a beautiful thing. Alright, you know what? No. We're out. Oh! Jesus. Jesus! There was another $300 to be made today. But we freaked out. You know what's interesting though? The long that came over here would have been in the green right now. Actually, but it have been twice, so it probably would have been stopped before. That would have been a scary long to hold on to. Interesting. This stopped at the 33%. Third. It's good to know. Very good to know. Okay, the account is up today $704.54. Oh, and the balance is 51,001. It's like 0.092, which is, I like it. Let's keep it at 1,000. I like that. Let's keep the balance over there. Let's call this a day. Let's celebrate. And yeah, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, because it was fun. Let's try and do a quick recap. So 500 tick charts make sense in the beginning, the first, let's say 30 minutes maybe. Either 30 minutes or until the market kind of clears out. So I think by this time it started to clear out. Number one. Number two, the good thing is that I did stay with the trend. Oh, this is going to hurt me so much. This is so painful. I did stay with the trend. This is actually similar. This stop long here is similar to what I did here. Even though, wow, that was a big slippage. Fair enough. I did stay with the trend, which is something I'm proud of. I'm not trying to just do anything stupid and shorting and trying to reverse. I think there is value in reversing, but it's not the best value ever. It's risky. It's tricky. And yeah, I mean, all the trades here are longs. That's a long, 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 that's a long. This is huge. This is a big thing because so far the thing that caused me to lose the most amount of money was essentially trying to reverse, like I'm so tempted to do right now. Just real quick. Wow. I know I missed this trade. I mean, all the potential. I left so much money on the table. Um, but I was expressing a lot of fear emotions around here. Now, was I expressing the fear because um, my intuition was telling me that we're essentially this thing was going to happen, or was I expressing the fear because I was starting to get tired and I felt like I wanted to take a break, even though I've only been trading for 30 minutes? Either case, it's interesting. It's interesting to just observe it. All right, I don't want to keep on looking at that. Even though 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 green candles in a row. Let's not do anything stupid. Let's just call this a day. We're gonna close the platform. Voila, that's closed. We will finish at $51,001. Yay! Which means I am $2,000 away from getting this evaluation account on this Lido account, which is great. Which is great. I'm very happy with it. I've been thinking of adding trades on the second account, but I'm honestly tired at this stage. We took 7 trades, 9 trades. Sorry, we won on 7, lost on 2. No scratches. We don't scratch. Oh, just my back maybe. Actually, the last one was a scratch. The last one, which would have made 30 points, which would have been $1,200 right now. Yeah, it's a scratch. Anyway, so that being said, thank you so much for being on the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to just sign up. Log in tomorrow, same time, 8:30 Central Time. If you want to convert to your time zone, this is the time where the New York Stock Exchange opens. This is when the market starts to get crazy. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Be safe out there.